So what's cooking, good looking?
Honey, nothing's cooking.
That is absolutely true. Nothing is cooking. We are in the month of Rawgust. For those who don't know what Rawgust is, it's just about us eating clean and healthy. No cooked foods for the month. I know it sounds hard, but I am here. We are here for you to show you step by step on how you can do this. 4 weeks, you can do it. I got you. I have my girl, the lovely Rocky from Rockin' Meals.
Hello, squad.
Tell them about your blog.
So I'm Rockin' Meals, Rocky. I have a blog that we do a lot of like healthy weeknight dinners. Honestly, love the Rawgust challenge. It's hot in our kitchens anyway, so
yes.
No one really wants to cook. And it's a great way to cleanse ourselves of the tequila that we've been drinking.
So I will be providing you with 3 recipes for the week. We have all of our ingredients here in prep. Our first recipe is going to be a breakfast smoothie. Really smooth smoothie.
Suave, smooth.
Delicious, or whatever.
Smooth.
We have some simple ingredients here. We have ice, we have almond milk, we have cantaloupe, we have pitted dates, and banana. And those are actually our only 4 ingredients that we're going to use. So we're just going to go ahead and get started. So we'll just add some ice into our blender. We have 1 cup of cantaloupe. We have 1 cup of milk. Right. Pass the torch. Dun, dun, dun.
Like, don't spill that.
We're gonna do 4 pitted dates.
Nice little sweetness.
And 1 full banana. So this is just gonna be for Rocky. These ingredients is for 1 person.
All to myself.
All to yourself, baby. And we're about to do our famous blending dance.
Oh God.
So basically,
Tell me about this.
right, dance until it's blended. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
So you can add other ingredients in here if you like as well. Cinnamon, vanilla. You can add your proteins in here. Whatever you feel like is going to help you boost your immunity and just keep your protein and stuff straight. So, ready to taste this?
Absolutely.
Ooh,
look at the thickness.
It's so thick and creamy. Oh my God, guys. Are you serious? Ready for this taste?
I'm so ready.
Oh my God.
I'm like, both of these are mine. Oh my God, it's so good. It's like the perfect amount of sweetness.
It's so good. Like, it's so good.
Oh, it's so good.
And I love the dates inside of it.
Plus the little like vanilla from the almond milk. The cantaloupe is like adds the freshness to it.
Yes. If you want something more filling, you should add some oats to this.
You can even add like cauliflower rice.
Yes, you could.
That'd be good. That would beef it up a little bit.
It will definitely do the trick.
I love that it's like really fast too. Like I'm a snoozer in the morning. Like I don't have time for breakfast.
Right.
But that was like 5 seconds. And in the afternoon, it's like if you want a little schnicky snack. Schnickety snack.
Sweet tooth is all of that in one.
It's so good.
So there you have it, guys. Our first recipe, which is breakfast for Rawgust week 1.